Made of plastic. Easy to install with no tools needed. Innovative TwistTight technology allows for secure installation with no drilling, no tools and no damage to your walls. Shower rod adjusts to fit in your space with no cutting needed. Adjustable rod fits in spaces from 36 to 60 inches, fits in most standard tubs and showers. Attractive and rust-resistant, steel construction with a white finish that resists rust. Hold strong, use with any standard shower curtains and liners, hold strong in your shower. Makes it easy to install your favorite shower curtain or liner. Shower rod is made to be used with any standard shower rings or hooks for easy installation of a shower curtain or liner. Featuring the innovative TwistTight mechanism, the Zenna home tension shower curtain rod installs securely and easily with no tools. This shower curtain rod is easy to adjust, with no cutting needed, to fit any shower space from 36 to 60 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent, sturdy tension rod. This is exactly what I wanted when I ordered it. I use it in the shower above the shower head as a rod to hang my hand wash and non-dryer safe laundry. Love it. It took maybe 3.5 minutes to install. So easy to figure out, it's logical. I will purchase another for my bedroom window for shears. Great quality. Sturdy. This should last for years.